Hello everyone. Today, we are covering the 5 best electric griddle for camping on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our best pick for the money is Cuisinart GR 4N5-in-1 Griddler. Many electric griddles also provide their owners with grilling functionality, expanding their usefulness and their appeal on the appliance market. The lightweight, only 8 pounds, foldable, compact Cuisinart 5-in-1 Griddler represents the best of this category for a wide variety of reasons. First of all, this tool can serve as a griddle, a contact grill, a full grill, a panini press, and a griddle combo, performing both functions simultaneously. Also, this griddle and grill feature temperature controls specific to each cooking task, so a user can easily customize the cooktop to suit their needs. Plus, this machine includes non-stick plates for grilling and griddling that can be safely cleaned in the dishwasher. All of these characteristics combine to make a griddle/grill combination that's uniquely user-friendly and flexible, and the many benefits of the 5-in-1 Griddler can be purchased for a very reasonable price. Dimensions: 13.5 into 11.5 into 7.1 inches, cooking area: 200 square inches, maximum temperature: 425 degrees, wattage: 1500 watts. Number 2. Our second best pick is Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill Plus Griddle. An electric griddle that combines a practical and compact silhouette with impressive multitasking skills. The Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Indoor Grill Plus Griddle can easily accomplish any classic griddle task. When you open the 14-pound machine, 1/2 serves as a flat-top griddle ideal for pancakes, eggs, bacon, and much more. It even has a little kickstand to tilt the griddle at an angle so bacon grease can go right into the dishwasher-safe drip tray. The other side features grill bars and grooves for cooking burgers, veggies, hot dogs, and other dishes that could benefit from that type of cooktop texture. Both sides of the appliance utilize non-stick materials and the cooking plates are safe in the dishwasher, so cleaning won't prove too time-consuming. Although this appliance folds up nicely into an easy-to-store package, it has the capacity to feed up to 6 people, making it a smart buy for solo dwellers and families alike. Dimensions: 16 into 13 into 12 inches, cooking area: 200 square inches, maximum temperature: 400 degrees, wattage: 1400 watts. Number 3. Our third best pick is Presto's 7055 Cool Touch Electric Ceramic Griddle. Ceramic cookware receives regular accolades for its non-stick nature, which also translates to easy cleaning, its powerful heat conductivity and insulation, and its durability. These useful benefits apply to ceramic pots and pans, but they're also relevant when discussing electric appliances like griddles. The Presto Cool Touch Electric Ceramic Griddle features a smooth ceramic cooktop that heats quickly and consistently, but the griddle's sides and base are made with specially designed Cool Touch materials, which prevent the cooktop's heat from singing your fingers while you work. A built-in backstop will come in handy when it's time to flip. For cleanup, the 5-pound griddle is fully immersible once the heating control/power cord is removed. Dimensions: 23.7 into 13 into 3.3 inches, cooking area: 210 square inches, wattage: 1500 watts. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Zojirushi Gourmet Sizzler Electric Griddle. Zojirushi prides itself on sleek cookware that never compromises on performance standards, and this ceramic electric griddle fits perfectly into that tradition. The 19-inch length of the griddle provides plenty of room to cook for a group, and the ceramic coating enhanced with titanium is, as one might expect from ceramic, very easy to clean and maintain. The ceramic also offers insulation and superior heat conductivity, so you can rest assured that your dishes will cook at an even temperature and in an efficient time frame. The Zojirushi Gourmet Sizzler Electric Griddle also comes with a griddle lid, which can help to expedite your cooking process by sealing in the heat. When you're done making French toast or whatever brunch specialty is on the menu, the griddle disassembles for easy cleaning. Dimensions: 23.6 into 15 into 4 inches, cooking area: 237 square inches, maximum temperature: 425 degrees, wattage: 1350 watts. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Brentwood TS840 Non-Stick Electric Griddle with Drip Pan. The Brentwood Non-Stick Electric Griddle certainly appeals to home cooks looking to stay within a lower budget. However, this griddle's cooking consistency and its special features give it functionality that far exceeds its costs. The 10 into 20 inch dimensions mean that Brentwood owners won't have to worry about running out of cooktop space. This griddle also comes with a warming drawer that neatly tucks in below the griddle top, so it's easy to keep your freshly cooked meals at an ideal temperature while you're working on the rest of the meal. The handles will stay cool to touch throughout cooking, and there's a drip tray underneath to catch any grease. After breakfast has been served, both the cooking surface and the warming tray detach and can be placed in the dishwasher. Dimensions: 23 into 12 into 3.25 inches, cooking area, 200 square inches, wattage, 1450 watt. So, grab yours while you can. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.